Welcome. In this video, we are guiding you through cash-free IntelliForms, a no-code solution for collecting personalized payments from recognized customers using a single shared link. Let's explore the process together. First, create your form. Set up necessary fields like customer identifiers, personal details, and the payment amount needed. Second, upload your customer data. Upload your customer data list as a CSV file, ensuring the data in the file matches the fields you've set up in the form. Third, share the form link. Customers will use it to identify themselves with their unique identifier, and OTP validation may be used if enabled. Fourth, verification and payment. The system verifies customer details, presenting their personalized payment information, and they complete the payment. After payment, they receive a confirmation of either success or failure. The streamlined approach provides a personalized, secure payment journey from just one link. To begin the process of creating a new IntelliForm, start by logging into the Cash-Free Merchant dashboard with your credentials. Next, let's navigate to the Payment Form section. From the sidebar, select IntelliForms. Then click on Also Create IntelliForm to get started. Fill in the form details as provided. Begin by entering the form description. For this example, we take college fees. Create a unique personalized URL to help customers recognize that the form was sent by you. Set the form's validity date, after which it expires. Optionally, you can add a redirect URL to send customers to a completion page after payment. Next, enter a unique identifier field like a USN to identify customers on the IntelliForm's first page. For the personal details section, input personal details about the customer for the second page of the IntelliForm. Start with fields for their email address. Then include a field for entering their mobile number. Next, select the row identifier for unique student identification. Let's use the email address as our row identifier. The payment details section involves information collected from each customer. Here, we'll use semester 3 college fees as the payment name. Define the minimum amount as needed. Consider allowing partial fee collection if applicable. Then click on Save Payment. Next, in the collection details section, the customer provides their information, which is to be collected during payment. Include fields for entering details, such as the student's name and the department in which they are currently enrolled. Also, add a field for the semester they are currently in. Next, in the late fees section, we specify the extra charges applied if payment is made late. For this example, we toggle the option on. Label the late fee name as additional charges and set the start due date for it to apply from. Select an end date, after which the late fee charges will no longer apply. Then, choose a late fee type between a flat fee, a daily late fee amount, or a daily late fee percentage. For this example, we'll select the late fees per day amount option and charge 100 rupees per day late. Save the late fees and consider adding discounts for eligible students if needed. Next, in the reminders section, we can toggle options for email and SMS reminders to prompt students to complete the payment before the due date. Next, OTP validation is available to users to ensure security through mobile and email verification. We will enable OTP validation for this example. Lastly, review the summary of your IntelliForm, detailing each field and the necessary inputs required. After going through and reviewing that all fields are correct, click Continue to create the IntelliForm. This concludes the process of creating an IntelliForm. Now that your IntelliForm is created and all required fields are configured, here's how the customer payment journey unfolds. First, open the link. The customer initiates the process by clicking on the shared IntelliForms payment link from email, SMS, or any other channel. Second, enter your ID. The customer inputs their unique identifier, such as an account or customer ID. If OTP security is enabled, they receive a one-time code to confirm their identity. Third, a personalized payment page. Once verified, the customer is redirected to a personalized payment page that displays their details, outstanding amount, and other relevant references. Fourth, the customer selects a payment method and completes the transaction using the secure payment gateway. Finally, after the transaction, the customer is redirected to a success or failure page, confirming the payment result and any additional steps. This ensures a consistent, secure, and personalized payment journey through one universal link. To begin the process of uploading customer data, start by logging into the merchant dashboard with your registered credentials. Then, head over to the Payment Forms section and select the IntelliForms section from the sidebar. Download the sample Excel file for the IntelliForm you created previously. Then, use this template to fill in your customer details, following the predefined format for each column. For this example, fill in details like the student's USN number, email address, mobile number, and semester 3 college fees, along with any additional charges if required. Once done, click on the Upload Customer Data button. Choose the Excel file containing the filled-in student details and upload it back into the dashboard. Click on Upload, after which you'll get a prompt showing the total and valid records based on the Excel file you uploaded. Then, you will receive a status and report for each customer detailed CSV file provided, which you can download if needed. The system validates each file, accepts correctly formatted records, and processes the valid entries for use with your IntelliForms. To conclude, you've learned how to create a new IntelliForm, upload customer data using the CSV template, and rely on the system for validation and mapping. These steps enable a secure, efficient, and scalable way to manage collections with IntelliForms, setting a new standard for modern payment forms. Thank you for watching.